What's going on, guys? Today we've got something a little shocking to show you. We are in our SDHQ shock rebuild room. Now, some of you might not know this, but we are an authorized shock rebuilder for King, Fox, Icon. We do that here in-house every Wednesday, but that is a story for another day. Today we've got Icon Vehicle Dynamics finned reservoir upgrade kits. This is something that will be here in stock at SDHQ for you to purchase. So what we did here in-house is that we took our shock techs and we had them install these finned resi upgrades on some of our in-stock Icon shocks. This is great because Icon doesn't offer this as a product from their website or from any other dealer that we know of currently. Now, why do I want finned reservoirs on my shocks? Well, not only are these an aesthetic upgrade, you are getting rid of those hose clamps on your standard reservoir and you are utilizing Icon's dovetail reservoir mounting system. It's also a big performance upgrade. These fins add 115% surface area. So what that does is that helps with the heat dissipation on these shocks. Getting heat out of that oil is great because it makes them last longer during extended periods of use. This is really important on those shocks with CDC adjusters, which all of our finned reservoir options have. That's because heat builds up in the reservoir as well as in the body of the shock. So the more heat we can get out, the better these shocks are going to work. We've got kits in stock for the Toyota Tacoma, the Toyota 4Runner, the Toyota Tundra. We've got coilovers for the Ford Super Duty, coilovers for the Ford Ranger, and rear shocks as well for the Ford Super Duty. Again, I say these are in stock, ready to ship, and all available on our website. We appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next one.